Hello everyone, this is Majesh Bhuria from NCMS Jhabua. Students, today we are going to learn article. It is not that first time you are seeing this title. You might have seen this thing in the previous classes. You are familiar with this topic, articles. Students, the word a and the are called article. These three words are known as articles. Articles can be classified as, there are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite article. Now, before we go through the articles, try to understand the meaning of these two words. Definite articles. What do you mean by definite article? Definite article means wherever you are quite sure, that is confirm, whatever you are talking, whatever you are saying, that is definite, you are quite sure. And if we talk about indefinite article, that means you are not sure, and that is why these two words they come under indefinite article. Now let us see what does it mean. The is called the definite article. Here, as I told you, these three words are known as article. Among these three, the is called the definite article. It is used when we speak of something in particular. Now, try to understand this sentence. It is used when we speak of something particular. You are specifying something, you are pointing out something. There you have to use the. Now, other part, a and are called indefinite article. These two words, a and, these two are called indefinite article. Why it is so? Why they are under indefinite article? Because they do not point out any particular thing or person. As I told you, definite article, it points out something, particular thing or person, but indefinite, it does not, or it do not point out any particular thing or person. Next, now we will try to know what are the uses of these articles. First, we will talk about and. And is used. Where you have to use, how you have to use, let us see. Before the word beginning with a vowel sound, try to note down, with a vowel sound. It does not mean that the word is beginning with the a, e, I, o, u. These are the vowels. Before the word beginning with a vowel sound, these are the vowels, and the word is beginning with this, you have to use and. Let us see how. You can see an example. An extra pen, extra, extra, e, an ant, an Englishman, an inkpot, an ugly bird. So, you can see here, a is here, e is here, e is again here, I here, u here, and all these words which are beginning with a, e, I, o, u. But make sure you have to see these words also should give the vowel sound. That is the important thing. Now, how we have to use and? Again, before the word beginning with silent H, as I told you, the A, E, I, O, U, if the word is beginning with these words, definitely the and you have to use it. But if the word is beginning with the silent H, Let us see the examples. An hour. Though the word is beginning with the H, but H is silent here. Mind it, the word beginning with the silent H. The H is silent. That is why we have to use a. An honest boy. Though the word is beginning with the H, but H is silent here. That is why it is giving vowel sound. Honest. An honorable man. Before abbreviation, see, whenever we use certain short forms, if the word begins with vowel sound, you can see here, though and MBA, though it is beginning with the M, but E is there. The M is giving vowel sound. That is why we are using an MBA, an MP, and NGO. Let us see the next. Now we will talk about a. A is used before the word that begins with a consonant sound. Try to understand, in the previous, if we are talking about an, the word is beginning with the vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, but just opposite to that, the word is beginning with the consonant sound. Consonant. Now see the examples. A thirsty crow, a good friend, a beautiful bird. Thirsty, it gives a consonant sound. A good boy, good, a beautiful bird. Before such vowels which do not have sound of vowels, now you see, the words which are beginning with the vowels but they do not have vowel sound. What are those words? Let us see. A university, though the word is beginning with the U, but it is not giving vowel sound. It is giving consonant sound. That is why instead of an, we are using a. A useful book, though the word is beginning with the U, but it is not giving vowel sound. Instead of that, it is giving consonant sound. A 1 rupee note, were. Same thing is here also. Now let us see, what are the things we need to keep it in mind. You have to remember certain things regarding these articles. Let us see what are those things. A and an both are used to indicate one. Make sure these two words, whenever we use either a or an, both are indicating or both are used for one, singular. A or an are used before singular noun which is used to represent a class of thing. Whenever it used for the representation of a class of things, how it is, let us see the example. A dog is a faithful animal. That means dog is representing his whole class. Another one is a or an is used when we speak of profession. When we speak of profession, then also we have to use a or an, both is used. Now let us see the examples. He is a doctor, because we are discussing or we are talking about profession. My friend is an architect. That is also we are talking about profession. That is why a is used here. Now we will talk about definite article and how we have to use it. What are the rules to use it? Let us see. We use the when we speak about a person or thing in particular. Make sure definite article we generally use for singular as well as plural also. So, when we speak about a person or thing in particular, when we point out something, when we are quite sure, that time we have to use definite article. Now, to make it clear, let us see a small story, and you are familiar with this story also. A thirsty crow found a pitcher that contained some water. A thirsty, a pitcher, some water. Now, the clever crow picked up some pebbles in his beak and dropped them one by one into the pitcher. Now, you see, somewhere in the beginning we used a thirsty crow. Okay, you were not sure, but when you are talking second time about the same thing, you are using the clever crow picked up some pebbles in his beak and dropped them one by one into the pitcher. The pitcher. In the first line, you can see here, found a pitcher, here the pitcher. Why? Because the subject is already introduced. So, that is why we are using, we are pointing out something particular, that is why it is used. I hope you understood how to use the, when to use definite article. Then we use the with the superlative examples. You can see here, whenever we use superlative, there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative degree, and you all are familiar with this. So, whenever we use superlative degree, that time we have to use the. For example, Sachin is the most famous sports person in the world. Most famous is the superlative degree, that is why the is used here. Now, we use the before names of well known buildings and institutions. Another thing, first for the superlative degree we use the, second for the well known buildings and institutions. Let us see how, see the examples. The Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the India Gate, all these words are where we have to use well known buildings, well known institution. Now, we use the when we speak of population of a nation. Another thing, we use the when we speak of population of a nation. Whenever we talk, whenever we discuss about the population of the nation, we use the. How? See the example. The Indians are warm hearted people. Indians, the Indians, because we are talking about the population of India. Next, we use the when the adjectives, when we are referring to a whole group of people. We use the with the adjective. With the adjective also we use the when we are referring to a whole group of people. Whole group of people, if we are using, we have to use the. How? Let us see the example. We should help the poor people. We should help the poor. Poor is the adjective, okay, and people, so far we are group of people we are talking, that is why we use the for the this thing. We should help the poor people. Next, we use before the names of, before the names of what? Trains, the Rajdhani Express, like ship, the rivers, seas, deserts, oceans, religious books or directions, the east, the west, the north, the south. All these the names of things where we have to use the. Now, omission of articles. If we talk about the article, it is not necessary that whatever we have learned, if we talked about the vowel sound out a, e, I, o, u, of course it is there, but then also there are some exceptions, there are some omissions where we use the article where we should not use, the article. Let us see, we do not use articles where, let us see, before proper noun. Whenever we use proper noun, see, I met someone or I went to Bhopal. If we talk about Bhopal, Bhopal is proper noun, definitely we cannot use a Bhopal, the Bhopal or and Bhopal so on. So, we cannot use article. Next, before names of languages. Yes, there are many languages. Before the languages also we cannot use article, like he can speak English or he is speaking English. Before English we cannot use article. Next, before material and abstract nouns, before names of games and sports, before names of days and months. If we talk about the names of the days, I will come on Monday or I will come this and that. Whenever we use the names of the days, we cannot use article. Before names of country, when we talk about country, then also we cannot use article, like he is going to America, he is going to Australia, so and so. So, before name of the country we cannot use articles. Let us see. Now, here are some examples. It is for your practice. You can see here. Let me read out for you. I play dash football. You have to find out what type of article you have to use. Either it is definite article, indefinite article, or you are not going to, or it is not necessary. It is up to you how you have to use it. America is dash richest country in the world. What should be there? You have to find out. I dream to be dash astronaut one day. You have to find out which article you have to use. Dash moon is shining in dash sky. What should be there? It is up to you. I admire dash honesty in my friends. All these blanks you have to find out what type of article should be there. So, this is example for you and you have to practice yourself, and I hope you understood the chapter. It is clear to you. Till today it is, you have to practice for this, and whatever exercises are given here you need to understand. Whatever previous module, whatever is given, you have to find out, you have to understand, you have to see the rules and regulations of the article and try to use the suitable article. Till then, thank you.